neighborhood, you could see.
We are here in baby girl Jane house. Okay, this is the bathroom. Oh, you see, bathroom with shower. This one, and this one is the back part. They still have space. You see, here, and then you see, this is the living area. Yeah.
This is her phone stand.
Yeah.
She wants to put phone on a stool with a bag of rice.
Ambush interview.
Yeah. I got behind the scenes camera.
Yeah. So actually, guys, before we are neighbors, and she's a cute little girl before.
Ambush kay kati ay.
How young are you, Day?
25.
Yeah, she's 25 and she's single and ready to mingle, guys.
Ready to mingle.
Yeah, and you're working in the government. LGU. So, pila niyo sahod ay per day? How much?
428 ba?
Oh,
pero
okay.
sa under mi sa duli not sa government.
Oh, they are under from the Dolly department.
Kontrata lang.
Ah, contractual.
Ah,
At least you have minimum
6 months.
6 months. So after 6 months, renew. Hopefully they will renew.
Renew pero under na sa LGU.
And how much in the LGU?
Per day?
Oh.
250.
That's the problem.
250 plus cutting.
I hope the LGU will continue the contract. Yeah, because before when I was in katabitong part-time after sa kanang klase, kuana to, mga nasa around 300 pesos per day, but it's only for 2 months.
2 months.
Oo. And the salary from the LGU before, what I remember is 175 per day. So how did you live in that kind of salary? So I guess no more luxury. You can't live by luxury in that kind of salary. So it's really basic since we are in the province area. That's the... anyway, you don't pay much rent. Your payment rent here per day, per month is 300 pesos. It's really a beautiful house. Yeah.
Yes.
Beautiful house, and she lives alone because her mom lives in a different house. So guys,
she's a catch.
yes, and kano sa ka na-graduate?
2022.
Yeah, she was graduated last year 2022. We have same course. It's good thing that you work in the government.
Yes.
And you know what? After 2 years, for your experience, you can apply online to work abroad. You know what? My only advice is to those who are working in the private company. Since you are a college graduate, after 2 years, you have solid experience. You can start apply abroad. We want to interview her about her personal life and also her ideal guy, foreigner ideal guy. Do you have any local boyfriend before?
Yes.
And what's wrong? What happened? Why did you break up?
Kuan. I think I'm not enough siguro kay
Cheating issue. Yeah, it's always like that. Even locals and even foreigners, the issue for the unsuccessful relationship is always the cheating issue. Yes. So you see, she's beautiful, young, and already had a career, and still not enough. So I guess the best for her is a foreigner.
I think
Yeah.
all I sort is Pinoy.
And about age gap, would you prefer a long age gap or just a short age gap?
Okay lang, long.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Basta magkasinabot. Yeah.
Ano lang.
Then, what is your preferred, ideal guy?
Kuan. First viewed is attitude.
Yeah.
Attitude.
Of course, don't beat us, guys. We don't like that.
Attitude.
Yeah.
Dayon. Kanang faithful.
Gusto na ba makakita ng faithful? O
Faithful.
ka ng loyal nga lalaki? No? Where,
Sure ka, kakita ang ka.
no, because, this is like, based my own experience. I was in a dating site for almost 2 years. Yes, and it's not easy to find a good guy. And, like, sometimes you can find a rude one.
Yes.
Yeah. And I can say that I experienced all the cruelty in the dating site. Yes. Speaking of like that, I will not say it one by one, but I experienced a lot of them. And then I just pray that God will give me a God-fearing guy. I didn't read the whole paragraph because I think it consists 1,000 words there. It's really long. And then I just summarized that one that he said that he's God-fearing. So that's the only, I focus on that. Yeah, and then the rest is history. Because most of the qualities that we really like is God-fearing. That's the number one.
Yes.
Because even a good guy, if there's a lot of good guy, but we cannot say that they are God-fearing. Because especially this time you are young, and when it comes also to a relationship, especially in the foreigner, it's not easy. Especially the cultures, language barrier. So I think one of the advice that I will I can share is like the language barrier. try to practice and develop our English skills. Because it's reality that most of the Filipino and foreigner relationship, they are having difficulties in their life because of the language barrier. Unsa mga hobbies nimo day? Mga hobbies, mga likes and don'ts.
Kuan man te, kanang akong mga hobbies.
Ganhan kag laglag. You want adventure?
Okay, kuan na.
You like staying at home most of the time? Yeah, because before we don't have anything here in Damulog. We just go to the market. Most of the time we stay at home. Yes, that's the life of a province girl. Yeah, we don't have bars here. We only have karaoke, but it will not last long. I think we have curfew here, 10 o'clock, and sometimes until 12. Yeah, and it's really quiet here, and we don't have anything. As you can see, we don't have malls here. We live in the peaceful place. Yeah. So, and also, which country would you prefer? Nationality? You want Indian, Australian, from England, American, Canadian.
Isa ko lang.
Oo.
Kuan. Okay lang ko American, England.
England. And this is our second time that we interview one of our, how to say that, Mahal?
Friends.
Prospects. Yeah. Like, I think we have more, but we cannot, they're so busy. We cannot interview them in person. So we're just blessed that while we're on the way to the Molog, I messaged her and she's here. Because the first time that that I call her, she's sick. So this is a surprise meet-up. Yeah.
Ambush.
So, imong mama ka nang naikuan? Naay boyfriend?
Kuan. Naman to siya kaipon.
Oo.
Namatay ba niya?
Nabiyuda gyapon siya. Kapila naman siya nabiyuda?
Kaduhan na.
Kaduhan na. So, her mom also is single. Pila yung edad ni ante?
57.
Oh! Her mom is 57 and still sexy and ready to mingle. Parehas may, we're the same. My mom is a widow also and her mom is a widow. Yeah, so my sister is looking for a groom. My mom she's looking for a groom and her mom also. So we have a lot of prospects. So guys, hopefully, and please don't get tired, and if someone will message you, reply them back. Because
yes.
most of the complaint of the foreigner, wala, I message them, they don't reply my message.
Mamutang ang siya sa spam.
Oh, yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, so you need to check the spam or in the message request. Because they cannot, you can find them in the, And also some of the foreigner don't know how to use Facebook. That's a problem. Yes, him, he doesn't have Facebook and he doesn't know how to use Facebook.
Ayun lang ilan natin.
So, dating site.
Dating site.
He was blind. Yeah.
Blinded by the beautiful sight.
So, anything, you have any more questions to...
Well, I'm just curious about other things, like this is considered province life here, right?
Yes.
What do you think about province life compared to city life, Cebu, Manila? What's your opinion on that? How does she...
You work in Cagayan de Oro, right? Yeah, she's working in Cagayan de Oro before.
So maybe she could talk about the comparisons. And,
yeah, can you compare? What is the
what
comparison?
She likes, don't like, things like that. City life,
like
province
live,
life.
Yeah, it's okay. You live in Cagayan. So what would you prefer?
Akong prefer.
Oo.
Diri ba or sa Cagayan? Mas okay ko diri sa Bukidnon, diri sa Damulog kay peaceful sa Cagayan mong kay kanang very noisy dayon ang mga expensive yun po.
She preferred here. Yeah.
Unlike diri nga pwede na nato makuha sa kilid ang sudanlon na.
You see, you can, if you don't have any, just buy rice and you can pick up some vegetables in the backyard.
Yeah.
That's a province life. So, and in the city, there's no free.
Yes.
Yeah, even lemongrass, one stalk of lemongrass, you need to pay for it. And here, you can ask from your neighbor. Yeah, and also malunggay. So, it's more better here. But compare for the salary, how much your salary in
Cagayan? 550.
550. Imagine you are studying for 4 years and your salary is just 550 per day. Only in the Philippines.
Yes, correct. Only in the Philippines.
Yeah. Then imagine her salary here is more than 400 pesos per day. While compared to Cagayan de Oro, it's 500 pesos, 550 pesos per day. So how much your monthly rental for the boarding house?
2,500.
2,500. You see? 2,500.
Per month?
Yes. Yeah.
And how much is the rental here, this house?
300. 300 pesos. But this house is rent to own.
Yeah.
You need to pay for
it's
25
basically a
years.
mortgage,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
That's fantastic.
Yeah. And how about your daily fare, Dai? How much your daily fare in CDO?
Dirito damulog.
Dili, CDO
Sa
lang sa imuhang
trabaho,
transportation.
Magbakay ako.
Magbakay ra ka?
Magbakay raman ako.
Ay, mayo eh.
Okay, sayangan ko 20 man. Sayangan ko ipalit man ako ng rice. Kaya mo pagluto dito sa
Ano dyan?
sa
Asa ka nagtrabaho sa CDO sa mo?
sa Bayabas.
Ano sa imuhang kuan? Na company?
Ay, kuan. Kanang frozen products.
Sa frozen product?
Oo, then mga
Dagko na siya.
pagkaon sa ero.
Okay. Sumayo eh. Tapos naana kay mga kanang experience.
So I'm just curious, would you prefer to stay here or prefer to move away?
Prefer here, she said. Yeah. Because her salary is more better than in CDO.
No, when I say move away, I mean like to a foreign country.
Oh,
Like if some guy
would you rather to relocate outside the Philippines when you meet a foreigner or stay here? Just be honest.
honest.
Yeah, just be honest because like for example, some of the Filipina they want a foreigner if the foreigner can provide everything here in the Philippines, so they are preferred to stay in the Philippines. But if not, it's more better to go with the foreigner.
Yes.
Yes.
Dito.
Yeah, and find a job. So, you prefer to stay here or to relocate?
I prefer to relocate.
Relocate outside the Philippines because she's still young and there's a lot of opportunity. So, what if the foreigner can provide everything, like they can give you a better life? Would you still prefer to stay here or relocate?
Here.
Yeah, so she prefer to stay here if she can find can provide everything.
So some foreigner is gonna say, "Wow, she's got her own house.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go over and move in." What would you say to him?
No, he's saying that if the foreigner wants to move into your house, accept ka na. Nang one nila diri ba bisita nimo or mo stay diri. So are you willing to accept him?
Why not?
Also, unsay prefer nimo, a divorce or a single or a divorce with a
Or
son?
does it matter?
Yeah, or it doesn't matter. Kay kani siya dili naman ni siya anak.
Ay, siya.
Oo,
Wala
nasa
siya.
anak.
Why?
Wala, divorce na siya.
Divorce.
Oo. Okay ra sa imong
Okay
divorce.
ra divorce. As long as nga wala lang gyud.
Walay anak.
Ay okay lang man gyud.
Nay anak.
Nay anak.
Basta wala lay kabingan.
Anak lang gyud.
Syempre.
May
Gusto
lisod
mo
man
jud ta
gyud.
na.
Kita man
So,
pero walay.
she's fine with a divorce, with a kid, as long as it's not legally married.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's okay for him, yeah. And ang age bracket nimo nga gusto. You want 60 up or 40 until 40 only?
For 30 to
30 to 40?
30 to 40 30 to 50.
30 to 50.
30 to 50.
Okay pa na siya because this one, he's 24. He's 24. Yeah. So, okay na siya nga kung ano kaysa mostly manggod pag young foreigner food. I think, ang ilaha manggong the maturity level, mo po yung diferensya. Yeah. So, we want mature guy, not the guy who wants to date a lot of Filipino women. Yeah, because some of the foreigners said, just come here in the Philippines because and do not commit in one Filipina. That's the most of the foreigner that we watch in YouTube. They want to date a lot of Filipina and be careful about that because it's not a ideal guy. Kay murag dulaan na pagka. Yeah. And we don't like that. We live in the province. We are mostly the Filipina in the province are more conservative. and they don't want to play games. She's looking for a serious relationship.
Maybe from your perspective, you could tell what you think the difference is between a province girl and a city girl in the Philippines. What's the difference?
Sa imong opinion dayo sa may kuan kalainan
Sa province girl o city girl,
mm
kuan, for me, ang province girl, kanang, focus sila sa, compare nato sa city girl, more on kuan man gid ang, sa akong age, sa akong ka-level nga mga babae, more on party girl, sa kinsa lang ang lalaki involved, na nightlife, compare sa province girl, dili man gud maka-involve og nightlife kay tungod wala ta na bar.
We don't have nightlife here.
Then mas safety kung for me lang mas okay ang province girl than to
City girl.
city girl. Okay, many boys
Yeah.
like,
City
especially
girl, they are more involved in more relationship compared to the province. We are stick to one. Har. Yeah, bitaw no, wala pa tala.
wala jud.
Because here in the province, you cannot have multiple boyfriend because you have a lot of marites neighbors.
Yes.
Sorry.
Word gets around.
Yeah, compared to the city life,
Wala man.
they don't care about you because everybody is working. Yeah, so less marites in the city.
From your perspective as a province girl, what's something you may or may not, something you may not like about foreigners?
So may mo dili ganahan
Something that
Dili ganahan
sa foreigner. Oo.
sa foreigner, kanang unsa man kanang course ka namong ila or unsa.
Oo.
Kuan, kanang first gid nga dili na ako ganahan kanang syempre mabitong may something nga mga sila sa siya sa imo nga og about your
Because most of the guy during first meet up, they want something. They want to get like asking for a nude photos.
Yes, or-
Yes. Yeah. So kana may na or more aggressive. Or because siguro na mga ibang mga foreigner nga one first meet pa lang ninyo diretso kwarto na. She doesn't like that. You foreigner, you don't like most of the time you don't understand what we're trying to say. Yeah. So
so from your perspective, do you think that would be a problem or just something to overcome, like the language barrier? Do you see it as a problem or not a problem?
about language. I think I'm not good in English good 100%. I think one of the reason ang kuan jud language.
it's also a problem.
Yeah. So how would you deal with that? Let's say there's a foreigner who likes you, you meet somehow. How would you deal with that? Just curious. Like,
So saan mo pagdilaan ng kanang language barrier dai?
We need to kuan. I need to
Speak with action.
speak to with action.
don't like you.
Yeah. Even if we're in college, we don't speak English much. Only in our thesis, if we have
usapod nga problema kana ilahang pag-pronounce sa words. Di nato masabtan.
exactly slang words. Yeah. And even me, sometimes she doesn't know my accent. Just like the bird and the bird, the beach and the beach.
Don't say that on YouTube.
No, we're just trying to, because she said your accent, the pronunciation, sometimes you don't understand.
It works
Yeah.
both ways.
Yes. So this is the problem here.
May na kayo mag-post.
It's noisy. Yeah. And you cannot tell them to stop it. Yeah, because we don't have laws here. You can do whatever you want. So I guess this is for today's video.
Mahal was just doing an interview with our special guest there. I'm not sure if we actually did a formal ending to it, so I just wanted to say thanks for watching. We do have a webpage, beautifulbabylove.com. I'm stuck here in the car now with Billy in the back and Ken here in the front. Mahal and our special guest gone to visit Mahal's aunt. What are you growling at? I think they see another dog over there. I just wanted to say thank you again for watching our video and videos. Beautifulbabylove.com. You'll see a listing of all our videos there, and we appreciate if you check out all our video listing, subscribe to our different channels, and so on and so forth. Really appreciate it. Hey, look, maybe I can show them. Look, there they are. They're over here. They're coming back to the car. So this is our official ending, and we officially thank you for joining in. And we really do appreciate when you like our videos and subscribe to all our channels, and keep checking out our webpage, because you just never know what channels might appear there or disappear. And we'll keep you informed as to what we have with our videos. And here they are, back again. So thanks for tuning in. And here she is, getting back in the car. I was doing an official goodbye because I don't think we ended our video.
Yeah.
So, do you want to end our video?
Anyway, we're done.
We're done. That's it. We're done.